In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize button hover colors in Wix. We'll go through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Wix editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the color your button shows when someone hovers their mouse over it, which is a great way to make your site feel more interactive and on brand. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor, not the live site. Once you're inside your page, start by clicking directly on the button you want to customize. This could be a sign up button, a contact us button, or any other button element on your page. When you click it, you'll see a small menu or toolbar appear right next to or above the button. In that menu, look for the paintbrush or design icon. This icon controls the styling and appearance of the button. Go ahead and click on that design icon. This will open up a panel on the side of the screen where you can adjust different visual settings. Inside that design panel, find and click on the option called Customize Design. Instead of using the basic presets, this lets you go deeper and fine-tune the look of your button, including what it does on hover. Once the Customize panel is open, you'll see different states for your button, such as regular and hover. Click on the hover state. This is important because any change you make while hover is selected will only apply when someone moves their mouse over the button, not to the normal resting state. With hover selected, look for the section labeled Background Fills or Background. Click on this option. This controls the color that appears behind the button text when the hover state is active. Next, you'll see a color box or color swatch. Click on that color box to open the color picker. This is where you actually choose the new hover color. You can pick from your site colors for consistency with your brand, choose a custom color using the color wheel, or enter a specific hex code if you have one from your brand guidelines. After you select the color you want, simply close the color picker. Move your mouse over the button in the editor to preview the new hover effect. If it doesn't look quite right, repeat the process and adjust the color until you're happy with it. Once you're satisfied, remember to save and publish your site so your visitors can see the updated hover color in action.